Hello students, let us continue with our equation of line chapter. To find equation of line, there are two formulae. The first form is called intercept form. Second form is called slope form. Now, what's the intercept form? If I have to find equation of line in the intercept form, I have to use the formula y equal to mx plus c. This formula was used by you in class 9 also. Let me remind you, this x and y are variables, m is slope, this would have been given to you, नहीं तो आप find कर लोगे. This c is y intercept. Second form is slope form. It is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x and y are variables. x1, y1 are the coordinates of the point which lies on the line. M is the slope of the line. First example, I have to find equation of line where I am given y-intercept, which is 2. Y-intercept is labeled as c and slope is 3, which we label with m. It is 3. Now intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. Substitute the values. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. This is the required equation of line. Second example, we are given coordinates of point P and Q. Point P has coordinate 2, 6. Point Q has coordinate -3, 5. First part, find gradient of PQ. Second part, equation of line PQ. Third, the coordinates of point where this PQ line intersects x-axis. Now comes the first part in the solution. I have to find the gradient of PQ. Gradient means slope of PQ. Slope of PQ. The formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let us label here. Let this be x1 y1, x2 y2. Then substituting the value, answer is 1 over 5. Now coming to the equation of the line PQ. Equation of line formula is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Put the value y minus y1, which is 6, is equal to m. Slope is 1 over 5 we found in the first part. X is variable and x1 is 2. Simplify it. When we simplify, we get 5y is equal to x plus 28 as the equation of the line PQ. In the third part, we have to find the coordinates of the point where this PQ intersects x-axis. It means if I plot this line on the coordinate axis, it may intersect this line PQ may intersect x-axis at some point. That point's coordinate we have to find. All the points which lie on x-axis, their coordinates must be of the form x, 0. Remember, you were told this earlier. All the points which lie on x-axis, their coordinates are x, 0. Same concept we will use here. For the third part, put y is equal to 0. X, 0 means the y coordinate is 0 in equation of line. Substitute here. From here I get x is equal to minus 28. So the coordinates of the point are x coordinate is minus 28 and y coordinate is 0. Example 3. Find the equation of perpendicular dropped from the point -1, 2 onto the line joining the point 1, 4 and 2, 3. Means I have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular dropped from -1, 2 point, this is the perpendicular, on the line joining the point 1, 4 and 2, 3. If I name it A, B, C, D, then I have to find the equation of a line AB. Now equation of line's formula was y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. there are two requirements. Firstly, I need one point x1 y1 which lies on the given line. So my line whose equation I have to find, that line is AB, and the point A with the coordinates -1 2, it lies on it. So I have my x1 y1. Second requirement is M, that is slope. Now to find slope, the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But I do not have 2 points on this line. But I have another condition. The condition is that my line is perpendicular to this CD line. My AB line is perpendicular to the given line CD. So what I will do, I will find slope of CD. Then I will use the condition which was taught to you earlier, that whenever two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to -1. So let me begin by finding slope of line CD. I found the slope of line CD, it came out to be -1. So I have named it as M1. Slope of line CD, M1 is -1. Now because line CD and line AB are perpendicular, so product of their slopes is equal to -1. Substitute the value of slope of CD, which was -1. I found my slope of second line AB, which came out to be 1. Now I will apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This formula is used to find the equation of line AB. Y minus y1. Y1 is the y coordinate. 2 is equal to slope I found 1. X minus x1. It is -1, so minus minus plus 1. Simplify it further.